I just hate wearing gloves. I hate wearing gloves and cleaning the parts and get in contact with all those liquids and cleaning fluids and the smell. So printing is kind of nice. It's completely automated, but after then the workflow. 3D printing doesn't stop with the printing process. Actually, it begins after the printing process, because you have to post-process the parts, you have to clean them, you have to post-cure them. And this is something, when you first get in touch with 3D printing, you will not recognize. So my goal was to come up with an idea to make 3D printing as easy as printing with an office paper printer. Yeah? And this was the point where I started to rethink the whole workflow in stereolithography. From my perspective, the future of 3D printing is production. And if you want to enable production, you have to ensure that your customer has a turnkey solution. And this turnkey solution consists, in our approach, of two systems: the printer and the post-processing unit, which work together and share a lot of data. And also it is important that our system doesn't need any special environment. So you can buy our systems and use them in a normal production environment. And our solution ensures you a consistent print all the time, 24 hours a day. So we enable production on a daily basis with 3D printing.